Yawning might cool your brain down. Researchers set out to see if yawning helps lower brain temperature. They observed various types of mammals to understand what triggers this instinctive reaction. Surprisingly, they found that in warmer environments, yawning increased, suggesting it's a way for your brain to cool off when it's getting too hot. When you yawn, your body draws in cool air and may trigger increased blood flow to the area, helping lower the temperature inside your brain. This discovery reshapes how we think about yawning. It's not just a sign of boredom, it reveals a fascinating biological function that keeps our brains at optimal temperature. Yawning, a simple act with a profound purpose.